Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to see how to edit your YouTube videos using the Studio app. So you're going to go to your YouTube studio from your YouTube, and you're going to go to that video that you want to edit. So I'm going to tap on this one. So as it loads, we're going to go to the editor part. That is the third option. So you tap on the editor, and if you haven't used it, you go to get started. So this is where all the magic happens. You can blur parts that you want to blur. You can add audio, and that audio can be from the YouTube audio library, and then you can add end screens, you can put info cards. So these are the options you can use to edit in the app. So if you want to trim off some part that you don't want to, you can trim it out by adjusting these lines on the video and edit all the things that you want to. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.